Hello guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Trust Stanley and this is a TS Tech Talk video. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to send an inbox to somebody on Threads app. So if you are making use of Threads app and you want to send an inbox to somebody, this is actually how to do it. Although Threads apps do not actually have an option to send an inbox to anybody, but there is actually a way around it. Let me show you guys. So if you have Threads app, right, and you want to send a message to somebody, so let me click on my account, which is my profile, and I'm going to click on, I actually want to see people that I'm following, but let me just click on my followers to see that, and I'm going to go over to my following, and this person I'm following, so I can click on this person right here, right? Now to send a message to this person, you can see there is no option to send a direct message. You can notice there is no option, right? Now to send a direct message to this person, all you need to do is to notice this icon right here that shows Instagram. This is actually the person's Instagram account. So when you click on that, it automatically displays the person's Instagram account, and you can see a message option, and I can send this person a message easily, and the person will actually get it. And quickly note that this person's profile detail might be different from the it might be different from the Threads profile detail. Now the reason is because they actually changed that, but automatically whenever the person is using Threads, they automatically signed up making use of their Instagram account. So which means even though Threads do not have the option to send a direct message right now, you can send that particular person a direct message in their Instagram, and it's actually going to be received by that person, because actually nobody can create a different account on Threads right now. You can only create a Threads account making use of an existing Instagram account, which means you can send the person a direct message from their Instagram account. So I hope this actually fits your question, and I hope it's helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and stay safe. Peace.